Hi, I'm JoCastro. This is our company, JoCastro. I'd like to welcome you inside and show you around. JoCastro is a manufacturer of transformers, substations, and medium voltage switchgear, mainly to the utility industry and to ESCOM and power suppliers. And we manufacture everything from start to finish. The DNA of our company comes from, obviously, the background. It's a family-run business. With it being family-run business, there's a lot of heritage involved. It stands out a lot to what we produce. It's very personal to us. It's my father's name on every panel that goes out the door, and it needs to be perfect and manufacture the best of our ability. When he came to South Africa and he couldn't speak English, and he says he came here with a handful of money, and to see what he's built, and he's built it with us, is everything to us. It's what we wake up for in the morning. It's purpose. And when we drive around and we see the panels with my father's name, it's beautiful to us, you know? I think our company is very important for South Africa because we create a lot of jobs. We manufacture locally, so we don't just import like every other business. We actually export, so it creates a lot of wealth for the country. For 55 years, we've been producing quality products. Living the goal at the moment is we are dominating the market. We've already taken over a large margin of the opposition's share of the market, and we hope to completely take the full market. But as time goes, we want to export more and we want to explore more countries. And that's eventually where we want to be, is more exporting. Anybody can be an entrepreneur. You don't have to be an engineer or a doctor to be an entrepreneur. Anybody can do it. It's within everyone's means. It's just about dedication, hard work, and commitment. And the world is your oyster.